If your SwiftUI videos keeps buffering, it's probably not your network and it's not your SwiftUI either. Over the next few episodes, I'll show you exactly why. If your SwiftUI video buffers every time you reopen the screen, you're recreating the AVPlayer. Let's fix that right now. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new file. Name the file AVPlayer cache. Import the following: so the reason why I'm making this class as main actor is because the AVPlayer interacts with UI state, and we want to guarantee that the player updates on the main thread. We also need to create a static shared property. This is a singleton, so the entire app can reuse the same player instance. That should be private for our initializer. Private var players AVPlayer. Oh, we're missing an import, so let's import that now. Import AVKit. On lines 18, we cache the players by the URL so we don't recreate the AVA player every time the user opens the video screen. We need to create a function called player that will return an AV player. Player.automatically wait to minimize stalling. Is that the right one? Yeah, that should be true. The purpose of that line, it helps to reduce playback and stalls by buffering enough data before starting the playback. It's the wrong bracket I'm using. That should be one of these brackets. Function remove all. Just compile it. We need to go to our videos details view, just open it, and then we need to update line 40 to use the cache to get the URL. We also use the AVPlayer that we recently created. Just rerun the application again. See the difference with this version, it gets it from the cache. But everything else remains the same.